Comparison is the thief of joy. So that's definitely
Mm.
something we try to stray away from. And of course, when we're focused on others, we're more distracted and we're not focusing on ourselves. We have to be honest with our own creativity. And that's a hard
Mm.
thing to come to truth with, is
Yeah.
that this is who I am. This is what I create. This is my art. Now, how do I find a way to express that? And I think you're kind of right, just barely there. You're about to get over that hump. But once you do, it's going to feel really remarkable, man. And you're going to definitely take it off. I was in that mode in China when I was basically going through culture shock in China and I had to adapt to that society. My creative juices were flowing. I had to remain honest to that creativity and I had to create it. I had to express it, but I wasn't ready to share it with the world. And I'm still not, and I'm okay with that. So throughout your life, as you're expressing, as your art
Mm.
is out there are some parts of it you might not want everyone to see, but eventually you're going to have to open up and let your
Yeah.
guard down and really be ready to take on that criticism. Circumstances create people. Circumstance and situations, they motivate. Fear motivates. Right now, my back is against the wall. I have to do something. Right now,
Yeah.
for me in my life, it's now or never. And it shows in how much I'm here every day. Money comes and goes, right? It comes and it goes. And there are certain parts in our lives where we're comfortable. And then there's other
Mhm.
parts in our lives where we feel like we're on our toes. We got to do something. We got to make something happen. We feel like we're a little bit threatened in terms of our security, right? With that being said, we can't deviate off path. If you're truly passionate about something, if there's something you really want to do, of course, I get it. You got to make ends meet, do your thing, work 8 to 5, great, do it. At the same time, though, if you're really passionate about this or you're passionate about other things, you got to always have like a backup plan, have like a side gig going.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell notification. Follow me on HelloTalk. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe. Am I finished?